In this video, I'm going to be showing you Zaapi's newest feature, the website live chat widget. Now you must be wondering, why even use website live widget? Imagine this scenario. If a customer were to visit your website, they browse around for a little bit, but they don't buy anything and then they leave. Wouldn't it be nice for you to be able to contact that customer again and see if you can help them? That's exactly what the live chat widget is for. Not only will you be able to connect to your customers easier, but it's also going to be turning your website into a 24/7 lead capturing machine. So that's enough preamble. Let's go to it. So to get started, you want to find your admin panel that looks something like this, and you want to scroll down to where it says settings, and you want to find the integration tab. On here, you'll find the website chat widget. For the sake of demonstration, we'll go ahead and make a new one right here. So creating it is pretty simple. You can choose the appearance for it to look like a bubble, like right here, or a bar, make it look a little bit nicer in my opinion. You can choose different colors like you see here, or you can just pick one that match the brand of your website right here. Now, the actual widget itself, there's a lot of customization that can be done too. Before it even pops up, you can choose to have icebreaker messages like this. So for example, instead of just saying icebreaker 1, 2, 3, we could say deals, for example, like that. And then the next one could be like contact us, track shipping, anything like that to get people start engaging with you. Once it actually pops up, there's also a lot that you can do. Like on this home screen right now, you can also drop a logo of your website for more branding. And the title of this, you can design it to your liking. So we can customize it as much as we want. So like this one, I say, hey, ask a question. We'll be with you as soon as we can. Also, what's awesome is that right here, you can also add integrations on the channels that you're using. So example, if you're using Instagram, if you're using Facebook, we can add those quick buttons here as well. Now, there's one thing that is very important that I want to cover on here is if you go over to settings, you want to make sure that this tab right here, collect data before the chat starts, is turned on. Okay. And the reason for that is if cookies are enabled, you can contact that customer within the last 7 days, but after that, it disappears. But if you have this data collection tab turn on, this will become a customer chat that is here within your inbox. So this is actually a way that you can stay in touch with that customer long term. So that's a pro tip for you. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, installing it is very simple. You just copy this code and put it onto your website. If your website was built with something like WordPress or Shopify, you can find specific step-by-step guide here. Once you hit save changes, it is live. I'm going to go to one that is already live to show you what that looks like from a customer's perspective. So here's an example site that we use right here. On here, you can, I put the logo of this website here, Trend Haven, and you can see that is done in the back end over here. I also integrated these channels that we use here on this example site. And that's what the customer sees here. Now, if they were to go over the chat, I already started a chat here, but if they already entered their information, we're going to send over some chats to show you what that would look like. For example, let's say they say, what deals do you have now? Okay. This is what the customer puts in, and this is what you will see over here. You can see here in your inbox what it looks like. Another thing to note is that this chat widget feature here is part of Zaapi's integration suite. So if you were to go over to the flow builder, right, I'm just using an example one like this, you can see that this chat widget is actually a part of all the other integrations that we have. So the AI that is being used on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp can also be used and deployed here on the chat widget. Like I mentioned earlier, this chat feature pricing here is right here. And that's would be counted as a chat feature. It counts as an additional integration on your plan. The chat widget feature is available on the basic, pro, and advanced plan, but there are some differences. Let me go over that with you right now. If you were on the basic plan, your chat would look something like this. It would have this little widget here that says powered by Zaapi. You would not be able to remove this watermark. Now, if you were to go with the pro or the advanced feature, you'll be able to remove this watermark and actually customize it. So you can actually change it to match whatever your website is. So for example, if this was hypothetically on the Pro or the Advanced plan, we could say powered by Trendhaven or powered by whatever your website name is. This key feature to keep in mind is that if you're on the Basic or the Pro plan, is the language. So on these two plans right here, you can only localize or select only one language. So right here in the customization where you select the language, you can only choose one. But if you were on the Advanced plan, you can have multiple languages. And you can select all the ones here that Zaapi supports. So in summary, the chat feature, the website widget chat feature, is a great way for you to engage with your customers. Also allows you to respond to them quicker when they visit your website, and also capture their lead information so that you can contact them at a later date if they don't buy anything. This is just one more way that we're working hard at Zaapi to ensure that you deliver the best experience to your customers as possible. So don't wait around. Turn your website into a 24/7 lead capturing machine.